still kicking. It's actually KP's mom's car. This car was swaying all over the road. It wasn't real bad. I ain't gonna say it was bad. It was bad as Goldilocks. You get going into things like...
That's just Camry fashion, though. Worn out struts, all that, yeah.
Yeah, worn out. Now, the reason why we went with ready struts is because, yeah, it's cool to replace the strut when it's bad. But this, I can't remember the name of the actual part now. Strut mount, there we go. Strut mount has bearings inside it. They go bad. Believe it or not, the tensile strength of this spring goes bad too. Yeah, we could have just replaced the struts and it would have been easy. Get a spring compressor on both sides, compress the spring, take this one center nut out, replace everything here. Why would we do that? It's not our fashion, right?
This is a waste of time, man.
We want to make sure this car's running good. We are using the Duralast ready mount struts. They're actually made by KYB and they're set to original equipment standards. So, ready to keep moving. We got 3 more to go, and we still got to button this one up.
Yep. Let's get them moving.
Let's keep going.
Alright guys, so this side has the new strut. That one has the old strut. We're going to give it a push test to show you how much stiffer this side is compared to the old worn out side. So you can go from this side. Look at that.
You can even hear the gases in the strut. That's how bad this thing is.
And then
you actually have to put some weight.
Yeah.
I don't have to do much over here to get this thing moving.
Alright guys, so what you would need for the rear is right here you've got a 10mm, right here you got a 12. You need a 5mm Allen for the inside of the what is that, the tie rod stud, or sway bar stud, sway bar link stud I guess, and then a 14 wrench to hold and twist it off, 19mm for right here, those 2 bolts, and then
definitely need a wrench for the other side to hold it.
Yep, definitely. And then on the inside of the car, was it 10s? 12s?
What?
Gosh, I'm so off. You go in here. I don't have it cleared out yet, but that's where they're located at. Back in there.
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video for the struts. Yeah, we are ending this way past.
Yeah, weeks.
Yeah.
It was like a month.
Month and a half or so after we did the job. It's just because we simply forgot. We took the car back to KP's mom.
She loved it.
Yeah, she was ecstatic. Loved it. We were going to end the video there with her.
But
we decided just because sentimental reasons with that car.
Yeah.
We just decided, you know what?
Just to respect it, yeah.
It's best if we do it all right.
We kind of forgot to end the video.
Yes, we did.
Because we had some videos on back order, basically. And we got some of those posted, and now we're here.
Yeah. Now it's time to edit this video.
Push it out.
Get it out there to you.
Yep.
Yeah. We dropped a Christmas special in between.
Yeah.
We're pretty backlogged.
Yeah.
I mean, we really are.
Which is good.
It's really good.
Yeah, hopefully we can keep it consistent.
Yeah. Technically, we could drop 2 videos a week.
No, we're going to keep it 1 video a week.
One video
Probably,
a week for now.
probably on the weekend, because this one I'm off and I can edit. Probably like Saturday, Sunday.
Now, I will promise you this. You guys get us up to 100,000 subscribers. You share this stuff. You get us up there.
Oh, we'll get real consistent real fast.
We'll have three videos a week.
Oh, yeah.
And it's going to be insane stuff because what you see us doing today is not what we're going to be doing in 6 months to a year.
We're having to come out of pocket It takes time. Once we get that support, that's financial support,
Yeah.
you know.
We're
Yeah.
doing crazy stuff.
And we're gonna be doing some crazy stuff.
And I mean, I know a lot of people watch other YouTube channels,
Yeah.
like Goon Squad or It's Just a Six or these other guys.
We want to be more connected with our fan base.
Yeah, well, Gavin's really good with that.
Yeah.
It's Just a Six. I mean, that channel is really good with that. And we kind of, because the way we want to start, we're a father-son duo.
We want to be family oriented.
Right. That's why KP called and asked if we would do the Struts on Mom's Camry. I said, hell yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, why not?
KP's family. She's not blood, but she's family.
Yep.
It's not always about blood. It's about what's inside here. So, with the sentimental reasons behind that Camry, her mom wants to keep that car going as long as she can.
And we will help her with that as long as we can.
But she takes the car to a very trusted mechanic here where we live. It was more expensive for her to take it to him. I think what the estimate was like $600, $700, $800
Yeah.
or something like that. And we did all 4 struts for $200.
Yeah.
$200, $300, something like that.
Yeah, that was literally just our paying for the Struts.
Yeah. And then we're nice enough not to charge labor because we filmed it.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't do that for everybody.
Yeah.
I mean, if it's an actual customer car,
Yeah, we'll
we're gonna
charge.
charge.
Yeah, definitely.
But I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about taking care of your people. You've got your family, then you've got your inner circle family.
Yep.
Is what I like to call it. And our inner circle family consists of the people you've seen on video, or their cars per se. I mean, Remy's always on videos with us.
Yep.
You've got Alex, we work on his Jeep. KB, we work on her car. We've got more stuff to do on that.
Kristen.
Your sister.
Yeah, my sister, your daughter.
Yeah. I mean, we're working on her car.
And then our cars.
Yeah, our cars. I mean, we got plenty of stuff to do. We want to load the table, but at the same time, we want to get to where we can give back to you.
Yes, that's a big thing. It really helps some people out.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we've always wanted to kind of do like a Pit My Ride style thing. Kind of help people out with their builds.
Yeah, our style though.
Yeah. Basically the right way.
Right.
Not just throw a wide body kit and some wheels on somebody's car. Actually, like help them with keeping it on the road for a while. Or even some performance stuff. Who knows? You know.
I mean, you're gonna see Tristan Civic come back. We've got more work we got to do yet. But there's one thing I refuse to do.
Just slam a car.
Yeah,
That's
I'll
mine.
Lower it.
I'll lower it to where you can still drive it and not be driving on your sidewall.
Yeah, they're wanting to stand. They're wanting to stand sit.
They're wanting to scrape their wheel on the ground. No,
Yeah, Aftermath don't do that, but
that's a liability.
we will put the suspension on for them to adjust it themselves.
Yes, we will do that for you.
We'll get you there.
Yeah.
But
no hate to the stance, guys. But
no, because it's drive whatever you want.
yeah, drive whatever you want, dude.
Just because we don't agree.
If it makes you happy, drive it.
Right. I mean, that's the great thing about cars.
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, there's some laws here and there, like in California, which sucks.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah, there's people fighting
Kyle.
to get rid of it, but for the most part, you can do pretty much whatever you want.
Yeah, I mean, there's some emission stuff like here in Tennessee.
Which I mean is
Georgia.
like if you got like a car show, you know, or a show car.
Yeah, show car. I mean, you're taking it, showing it.
Yeah.
But a lot of those end up getting trailered anyway.
Yep.
You're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
That was something we always taught you when we'd go to car shows.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, look, don't touch.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's somebody's blood, sweat, and tears in that car.
Yeah, from, you know, a Honda Civic, just want a exhaust kit put on it or cold air, to a 2020 Mustang GT. We're gonna treat it the same exact way. We're gonna do our best work possible and, you know, get the job done right.
Yeah. We show love to everybody. So guys, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not. Share the video. Get us out there.
Yes, sir.
We appreciate everything, and I can promise you, once we get to where we can give back,
Oh, we will.
big time.
We hope so. We hope we can.
Yeah.
That'd be so sick.
Yes.
Turn somebody's little raggedy Civic to a K20 swap monster. Yeah, that'd be sick.
Hey, also TV channels.
Yeah, hit us up.
Father-son duo.
Yeah, Pimp My Ride. Hey, you know.
Style.
Yeah, bring
There
Pimp
was,
My
there
Ride.
was a show with Chip Foose that used to do that too. That was even better.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't remember what it was, but it was way better show. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, hit us up on Instagram. It's down below. I don't think we have any links to anything.
Except Instagram, maybe Facebook.
Yeah.
I'll probably put that in there.
Yeah, Facebook. Yeah, hit us up. Aftermath Garage YouTube channels, the Facebook one.
Yep, hopefully we'll have some shirts, some type of merch soon.
We're working on it.
Yep.
Still working on the sticker deal.
Yep.
We've got them. But we're talking back to the person that made them to make some more.
Yep.
And actually make them a color too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Remember,
Dream big.
See you guys. Have a good night.